Climate or No Climate. I'm your host, Ashley, and let's get on with your climate questions. Question number 1, what is climate change?
The change in weather.
Global warming. Yellow.
Incorrect. Climate change is the average rise in surface temperature on Earth over an extended period of time, resulting in changed weather patterns, threats to numerous species, and unforeseen consequences to the human population. Question number 2. What human activities cause increase in greenhouse emissions?
Pollution, waste, and use of natural resources.
Cars.
Coughing.
Well, those are all very interesting answers. The answer is actually industrialization, deforestation, and large-scale agriculture. The concentration of greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere is directly linked to the average global temperature on Earth. The most abundant of these is carbon dioxide, which takes up 2/3 of greenhouse gas emissions as a result of burning fossil fuels. Question number 3. How high has sea level risen in the last century?
10 inches.
20 feet.
7 miles?
Well, the actual answer is 8 inches, and it is increasing each year as a result of ice caps melting and glaciers melting. Melting of glaciers and ice caps threatens animals who live in Arctic regions, such as polar bears, penguins, narwhals, and walruses. More than 1 million species of animals are at risk of extinction due to climate change and global warming. Question number 4. What amount of ice caps and glaciers melt each year in tons?
200 tons.
100.
A lot.
Now that's a lot of damage!
A lot is not in tons. A very interesting answer. The actual answer is about 390 billion tons
You're right.
each year.
Now that's a lot of damage!
So definitely a lot. That was actually the best answer.
Well done.
And now a brief intermission while Cameron finds his papers. Please hold.
Of climate change on the human population.
Causes flooding, droughts, and mass destruction.
Warm weather.
Very interesting answers again. But the effects of climate change on human population is in fact flooding, droughts, fires, extreme weather events, and heat waves. People everywhere are being affected by the results of climate change, and in the last 200 years we have experienced record high droughts and floods like we have never seen before on both extremes. How can climate change be slowed by humans?
Use less resources and prevent waste.
Reduce deforestation.
Tied to a rope.
Those are actually all kind of correct. The answer is actually using fewer natural resources, like you guys said, but being more aware of the things that you buy and use every day and finding alternatives that are safer for the planet is always the best answer to this question. You can do things like buying sustainable brands or even educating others and spreading awareness of it. But reporters say that it would take about $140 billion a year for the world to adapt to a warming world.
Thank you all for tuning in to Climate or No Climate. I hope you all learned something about the harmful effects of climate change, and we can all work for a better future.
Yeah.
What is the plural of walrus?
Walruses.
Walrye!
Walrus!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Global warming.
Yellow.
Today.